Hello, we're going to be talking about the SMA female to SO-239 female and how to use it. And that's what it looks like there. So what you do is you take a standard radio. This is just a standard Quanshon radio, and it comes along with a rubber antenna. So what you can do is unscrew that rubber antenna, and you can screw in your SMA to UHF SO-239 adapter. And then if you have a home base antenna that you want to use, a 2m70 sims, this radio is 2m70 sims, so you plug in a 2m70 sims PL259 to SO239, and that's how you connect it up.